Through our relationships with our multiple engagements, we've seen that over these years, we've been able to deliver far better value to our customers than just from the pure labor arbitrage and lift and shift business. In our Travel.com organization for their UK business, we've managed to improve customer sales, which is a pure bottom line impact to them, by nearly 3 times and we've been outperforming their onshore partners since the first week of transition. And in the sales conversion that we do today for our other travel organizations, we've been able to materially improve conversions over the last 5 or 4 years. In our endeavor to do continuous improvement and drive process improvement through our operations, for another large customer, we've improved customer satisfaction and end customer experience by nearly 40% in the last 2 years. And these are comparable results and better than onshore customers. So today, delivering value through a combination of nearshore, offshore, onshore capabilities by large organizations is allowing us to service our parent organization and our clients through much better results at the end of the day. In most of our successful relationships that extend across geographies, extend across continents, we have seen that great executive sponsorship commitment works. In 2 of our very leading accounts, both out of the US, one is a cosmetic large retailer and the other is a .com travel company. We've been able to work with them at multiple levels. We are culturally extremely aligned to the organizations, and we feel part of their organization as they feel part of our organization. So we have CEO level engagement, we have managing director levels engagement, and we have team leader level engagement. And you will see on our floor people celebrating each other's birthday across continents. So that's the kind of penetration and cultural alignment we've managed to bring across these very large 2,000 plus 5 geography accounts that we manage today. And these are over 6-year relationships with us and still going strong.